everyone! Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and Bingo dancing together. Let's start drawing. To start, I am going to draw Bingo. She is Bluey's sister. Bingo is Bluey's little sister, and she is 4 years old. Let's draw Bluey. I start with her eyes. Bluey is 6 years old, and she is Bingo's older sister. First I start coloring Bluey. Dark blue. Blue color. Light blue. Now let's color Bingo. Cream color. Brown color.